Hello guys, my name is Cody, also known as Backpack Xbox Live. Me and Zach's going to be replacing the thermal paste in this Xbox right here. I had it open before and it was really nasty inside, so let's get started. This is just, I took the old hard drive out of here because the hard drive was only 20 gigs and it kind of sucked, so I just took it out and it's just a little shell like cover right now, but we just have these tools right here. Screwdrivers, T10, T8 Torx security bit, and a straight screwdriver. We just figure out where this is right here. We're just gonna pop this open. If you guys don't know who's the cameraman, that's Zach. Zach gave me this shirt right here. Chug you for life, mate.
Whee! Beautiful shirt.
This comes off real easy, just like that. Flip it over. That's the right one. Comes right off. And then we gotta pull the front off. I'll kind of have it to the front where you guys can see. Comes off just like that, real easy. And then we have to go towards the back. There's little tabs back here if Zach wants to zoom in on them. There's little tabs right there. We gotta shove this in there. It feels like you're gonna like break the Xbox, but you gotta shove it in there, figure out exactly where it is. Push it up and it comes unclicked.
I'm a great cameraman.
This thing is really awkward to take apart.
It doesn't sound good either.
It doesn't, but I had to break off a couple tabs because it used to like hang up. Like it used to like get in between these little grooves right here, and it just was hard to take off. So I just had to break a couple of them off, so it'd be easy to get into it. But that was a while ago when I changed the X clamps out. If I can get under here.
Focus.
There's a way you can make it autofocus, and then it just like stays focused one way, but it's not really good if you're moving around a lot. There's 3 little tabs right here.
Zoom. Zoom. Focus.
Zach turned into corn.
I'm a corn
And
ninja
the top's just like
warrior.
this, and then you're left with this Xbox. Of course, you know what them mean. X clamps. Fun stuff. I'll grab the old X clamps real quick to show you what they look like. The old X clamps just look like this. If you guys haven't ever seen X clamps, I took them off. They used to go inside, right in there. I'll show you guys as soon as they open it up. But we're gonna use a T10. You guys can see that right there.
Yummy.
T10. Bit. Take out all these screws. Zach, you're gonna see freakishly long screws. That freaks you out because it's crazy.
Oh my goodness.
I don't think Zach has ever seen the inside of an Xbox in real life, so
I never.
it's gonna be crazy. I took this Xbox apart plenty of times, so I know exactly what to do. Very, very easy.
If I want to, just YouTube.
We got some alcohol for it too.
Yummy. Maybe we can do some crazy Russian hacker.
Yeah, but I think he uses 70% for some reason, but that's 50. We got some paper towels over there on the computer. I changed the X clamps out. I don't know if I ever said this in the video or not, but I changed them out for bolts because the X clamps come off real easy, and it wasn't holding the heat sinks down on it. And it kept red ringing because like the clips, whenever I kept moving the Xbox, kept moving the weight, and it kept making the X clamps come apart. So all of them is off. Flip this over. There's a little switch right here. This is like ingenuity right here. The button's curved down here, but this is right here. It bends this bar with it. That's crazy. The button's right down there. Pull this thing off just like that. Comes off, and there's the insides.
Pretty.
Inside of an Xbox. This little plastic thing's gonna come off as soon as we lift this up. This is the CD drive. If Zach doesn't know what that is, I bet he knows what it
No.
is. This is where
Oh,
this is where your discs go.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's how you
I
play
didn't.
it.
I didn't see what you meant. I thought you
This
said
this
SD.
is just a SATA cable, but it's just a little bit different.
It blends
looking.
in with the Juggies for life.
Here, how about now with the white? There we go.
There you go. It blends in.
And this
with
is the power and stuff. There's little motors and stuff in here. I had this taken apart because belt come off of it before.
Look at that new haircut. So handsome.
I never had a new haircut, and I shaved my sides too. Well, the person did, whoever did my hair, but
Shave your sideburns.
yeah, she shaved them off. She's like, "Do you want these gone?" She was pretty good looking anyway, but I'm just saying.
she's probably gonna watch this video.
She was at Style It too, so. Her name was. I'm not gonna say
Felicia.
Her name. I'm not gonna say her name. Nope. Her
Felicia.
name was Bob.
Bob Marty.
My dad knows the people that owns it. My dad used to work with the guy that owns the place. What time is it? Does it say? The copyright on my Black Ops 3 Part 4, it was doing like dumb copyrights on me for no reason.
Yeah. It's 10 o'clock.
Holy crap!
It's 9:11.
We need to take this out. I don't really need to take them out. But
Zoom in just to get that nice view of.
what is holding it? There we go. This is what the fan looks like. Well, this is not what this one's a little bit different version. This air goes out the
That
back.
looks really cheap.
Yeah.
Looks like. Yeah.
These ears are actually getting worn out. The Xbox over there, like our Xboxes, but oh my god, he's gonna turn the TV on.
Xbox.
Ours comes out the top, our heat and stuff.
Yeah.
This is the CPU and the GPU heat sinks. That's what we gotta do. Take these off, and then there's paste in places. I'll just leave that on for background.
Background light.
Then what we gotta do is there's a lot of screws down here. I have to take out, just like this. They're all gold colored. This was made in February 14th, I think, which is Valentine's Day. I think that's when it is. 2010.
Valentine's Day is.
I don't know when Valentine's Day is because I don't really care about Valentine's Day. Maybe this will work better. There we go. Just a little bit different size. I'll have Zach show close-ups of the CPU and stuff as soon as we get it open. That's the whole brains of the computer, which is technically the Xbox. We're learning about circuit boards and stuff in science.
We're learning how to code on Minecraft.
Yeah, that Minecraft coding hour of code or something like that.
Mm-hmm. They can play like They have Flappy Bird on there. They have other stupid games.
This paste is nasty. There's not even really much paste left on here anymore.
No more paste.
This is off. Now we gotta flip this up to the top. There's this little board up here. Just pop this little thing off right here. It's a
He
little
made
light
this
thing.
Xbox.
I can fix Xboxes, but not if the dog pees on it like Dylan's. Dylan's Xbox, Max peed on it and then it screwed it up for life. But I had to bring my Xbox over there to test his hard drive if he had like so much saved games on there. Like even John had it like 6 years ago, his saved games, which his hard drive still works, so he has another Xbox ordered.
Okay.
This is just a little circuit board. There's little lights right there down in the corner.
Now let me zoom in. Ooh.
That's the power button right there. Like it clicks, not like that. That one's just like a touch. This one clicks. I think. What the heck was that? But it has red and green lights. So red dot, red dot, red dot, and red ring of death. Since that's off there now. No. Voila. Here's the shell, right here.
Yummy. I like shells.
See, the X clamps used to go on back down here. There's different pegs on there. None of these came with it. Those bolts. I changed them. But we have to be very careful. We're supposed to have an anti-static strap to it, so because like we could touch the board and stuff. But I've done this pretty much a lot, and it's never done it to it. So This Xbox has been tested. I've been downloading stuff all day. It's been tested that it's been working pretty good with this, so. I don't know how that thing's still getting held on here. The heatsink. Because there's nothing holding it on because the pegs ain't on there anymore.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Second one.
Chicken away. They're stuck on there.
Dun dun. Dun 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 dun.
It's probably gonna be stuck. Ew, it's stuck.
Yummy.
And we got all that nasty thermal paste. If Zach wants to look in here. See the thermal paste has to go down on there.
I can just zoom.
This thing is there too. All this stuff is gonna come off. How long's the video been going for?
11 minutes.
Holy
and
crap.
30 seconds.
That's how long it takes to get into an Xbox. Now what we gotta do is I'm gonna grab some porters.
Paper towels. That's what he said. He's a little slur to his words.
Slur them on with.
These nuts.
Can get some alcohol. 50%.
Oh. Oh.
Put the lid back on. If you don't put the lid back on here, that stuff evaporates. And now, Zach wants to get the close-up with the residue and stuff we're going to get off.
Yeah. Oh, whoa.
All this stuff.
That's really zoomed in. That's a good thing. I'm a good cameraman.
That stuff's really baked on there. Let's try this and see if we can just dig it off. Whoa. This stuff is not supposed to get this bad, I don't think. This thermal paste is way harder than what the computer's was. It really got baked on there in the middle. This is when it's time for new thermal paste.
More alcohol.
I'm gonna do it dry for a minute.
We don't care.
Try to get this stuff off, but it's kind of like baked on there. That's really crazy. But
There's a but to it.
I'm gonna try to fold this a couple of different ways.
Oh, the great talent of Cody Flesner.
That's crazy. It got burnt on there. Like, that's weird.
Zoom. Zoom. Focus.
This stuff's already evaporated. Holy crap.
Beautiful motherboard. If I'm correct.
Yep, it's called the motherboard.
Yeah, I knew that.
Try to get it as clean as we can.
Hey, you're shaking the house.
Wow, it's really pulling out the stuff that's still on there. But it's really clean. I don't know. Ew, it smells like alcohol too.
Mm.
It smells like that alcohol you put on like cuts and
These
stuff.
nuts. Oh. The beauty.
Guess we don't need two.
Really want to get that revenue.
Revenue.
Yes, that's what it's called now. Revenue.
Revenue's from YouTube.
No. It's from chicken wings.
Now I gotta get down here and clean this boy
This
off.
could explode at any time. Ba-boom.
There's like no thermal paste whatsoever left on here. What, you're zooming in on my face or something?
Get a nice picture of your concentration. You see this? It's going down for real.
I don't think I can get a lot of this thermal paste off. It's just randomly put down there in little areas.
Doesn't
Probably
get
got my
down.
hand in the way.
It doesn't get down in the toughest areas. Some Tide.
Tide Force Flex.
It's very flexible.
I have this, then I'm gonna. This Q-tip here. Make sure that.
To clean his ears. Oh.
With alcohol on it.
Oh. Get that. Oh.
See if we can get off some of this stuff. But I think it's really baked on there. It's really, really old.
It's been cooking for a while.
Actually, seems like it has. You just gotta let this stuff dry.
It's dusty, or is it? No, it's not. Maybe it is. I don't know. It's just the way it looks. It looks.
This stuff should evaporate, but
I think we're gonna hit 20. Are we gonna do it putting
cut
back
it,
together too?
yeah. We'll cut
Or
it
are
at
we gonna
20
make-
because then I'll have to save it. Ew, this stuff's actually coming off now.
We'll do a take it apart and then put it back together separately.
Well, I'll have it in this. I'll have it in the same video though, but I'll have to cut it so I don't run out of storage.
17 minutes.
This stuff is really nasty.
Yes. Looks like clay.
That's what it feels like. Ew.
That's what it is, Cody. No, that's a memory.
I don't know. I think that's the CPU, and then this is like the graphics card stuff. But I'm not sure
Get
exactly.
a new graphics card.
This stuff's soldered on there. If you get a new one, you have to get a whole new Xbox motherboard.
See, doesn't it look dusty, or is that just me? Like,
It's not dusty. It's what
Yeah, it is.
That's what it looks like.
no, look.
Just a little bit. It's not.
Yeah, that bothers me. Maybe that's why.
It'll cook off the dust.
No, it does. Ow, 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 ow. It's very sharp in these areas. That looks like a candy with
Too much alcohol.
I can tell you everything that's on this. I can make a motherboard.
You have to do that by etching a circuit board. I think that's about as clean as we can get it, actually. That's really crazy.
That's
Here's all our trash. Look at all this. There's a big wad of stuff. Alright, guys, we're going to cut it
40.
right now, and then we're going to save it on my computer, and then we'll be right back showing you guys us putting on new thermal paste. You can cut it right now. Goodbye. We'll be back. Alright, guys. We are back. Well, I got most of this thermal paste off. Like, it's kind of baked on there. Like, I've never seen that before with thermal paste, but that's as good as I can get it off. So, what we're going to do now is put some new thermal paste on to the board itself. We've got our new paste right here. Zach wants to zoom in on that. It's Arctic Silver 5.
Here, let me focus. There we go.
That's the stuff we're using. See if there's any, like, specifications on it. So keep away from children.
You're a child.
Polysynthetic silver. This stuff's silver. Like, full on, like,
Pretty.
you can put it on, like, jewelry and stuff. Or
These
like
nuts.
This.
Oh.
These nuts, too. And if Zach wants to look at this really quick. Get this fan out of there.
I don't want to break that.
Then we're just gonna put just a little bit right there.
Oh, isn't that pretty?
little bit there. Then we want to put just a little dab there. Might see if I have a little like flattener, but
You could use like a like something like scrappy. Oh, I was on your face on accident.
I'm just gonna flatten it out with this. Just a little bit. Pretty. Maybe just a little.
Is that video uploading?
It's already did.
Oh wow.
Like, it's not on YouTube, but
It's already did.
it's downloaded on my computer.
How's life treating you, Cody?
Same old, same old.
Oh, that looks so tasty. Keep away from Cody.
I'm gonna put a little bit more over there, because
Look at the concentration on his face. Boys and girls. How many subscribers? 118.
123 now.
The big 1, 2, 3.
I was gonna pull out a little peg just to make sure how tall it was. Before.
Snoop around in his stuff.
Because I was gonna see how tall this was. This is the old peg.
Oh, nice. It's the gold one.
The old pegs that used to hold it in there. That's how tall it was. And it just keeps, it popped itself out. I'm gonna see how tall it is with these washers. Washers. I was saying that in the video, washers or washers. That looks a bit good.
I haven't made a gaming video in forever.
I've made Black Ops 3, but I can't put ads on the last one. It says otherwise all the revenues be going to Activision because they're all dumb. And all you gotta do is... I'm just putting... Well, I guess I should swap it around because you don't want it to ground out against the motherboard. That would not be good. Go plastic and then metal. And then... plastic. Metal, but we gotta make, because there's two sides to a washer. I'll show you guys really quick. This side right here, if Zach can zoom in on it.
Let me get her done.
Focus it a little bit.
There we go.
This side has a sharp side down under the bottom, a sharp side, and then on the top is rounded. The sharp side is usually goes down, like if you have like a bolt going through it. The sharp side usually goes down towards whatever you're going to. But in this case, the motherboard, we want to have it facing the other way, so it goes to the bottom of the heatsink. Since there's plastic on the bottom of there. Just little stuff like that. It helps a little bit. Gotta put that there, and then...
Hopefully if I get that camera for Christmas, it comes with a tripod.
And then we gotta put bolts through the bottom.
Yes.
I have to use all my fingers.
Darn it, why didn't I get that? There, oh, there we got it.
Well, that one just failed right there, but... all my bolt placing's gone.
I like your little concentration with your tongue out. I got that on
I
camera.
know, I always do that. I have no clue why. I've done that ever since I was little. I do not understand. I do not understand. That stupid robot thing. It's like, I do not understand. Siri does that too. I don't understand what you said. Can you please repeat that?
That's why I have it on a British accent.
You still have it on British?
I don't remember.
Siri's not copyrighted because I did a video on her before.
Yeah, I know.
You never know, cause
Will you
Activision
sing for
copyrights
me?
stupid stuff.
Well, with this,
You wouldn't like it. Seems like I cut you off. Can you please repeat that?
I don't think I have you on.
I don't know what that means. If you like, I can search the web for. I think I have your number.
I never said number. Will you sing for me, please?
Oh my god.
Okay, if you insist.
Here.
I could while away the hours,
I swear to
conferring
God.
with the flowers, consulting with the rain. And my head I'd be scratching, while my thoughts were busy hatching, if I only had a, hey, wait a second.
That made no sense. And then I just gotta hold this like this and carefully screw
Did you
these
use
screws
0
in.
divided by 0? What's
Yeah.
0 divided by 0?
Imagine that you have 0 cookies and you split them evenly among 0 friends. How many cookies does each person get? See,
21.
it doesn't make sense. And Cookie Monster is sad that there are no cookies.
Mhm.
And you are sad that you have no friends.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I was like, what's like someone with no friends? I'm like,
What a jerk you are.
That's not nice.
You told me I have no friends. Do I have any friends?
No comment.
oh,
Burn.
Burn it did.
Can you tell me a joke?
No.
I can't. I always forget the punchline.
Tell me a joke.
You always want to go cross, not sideways. When you're screwing in screws,
How many
especially on
iPhones
like
does it
car
take to-
tires and stuff.
Okay, never mind.
How
I'm
many
a little
iPhones
mechanic,
does it
too.
take to? Never mind. Look. Focus.
What do you want?
Look.
How does it take? Okay, never mind.
Tell me a joke, cross not sideways. And that's what you said, cross not sideways. Tell me a joke.
Please.
If I told you a joke in my language, I'd have to explain it.
Oh God.
Are you calling me dumb?
I can't answer that.
Then we gotta put on the last one. But this is gonna be fun. Putting in these bolts again.
These nuts.
I hope you don't kiss your mother with that belt.
Oh God.
It almost said nuts though. These nuts.
Well, I never.
That made no sense.
These nuts.
Well, I never.
What the?
Well, I never.
Well, I never D's nuts.
What does the fox say?
What the heck?
You remember that one? Here, it'll say. What does the fox say?
You will never know. The secret
Oh.
of the fox is an ancient mystery.
Yeah.
What does
yeah.
the fox say?
I thought so.
What does the fox say?
Ring, ding, 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 ding.
What the heck? That sounds like a ghost.
We should do a separate video on this. Do you have any friends?
I have you.
No, you don't.
Okay, I didn't think so.
Do you love me?
How can I tell?
Oh.
By my sexy body?
I don't know how to respond to that.
It's alright. Don't be jelly.
I'm not sure I understand.
She don't know what jealous means. No.
You scare me.
If you say so.
Where can I bury a dead body?
I
Very
asked
funny.
Siri that, and she said in a dark alley.
Where can you bury a dead body?
Which made no sense because you can't
I'm
bury
afraid I
anything in
don't
an
know the
alley.
answer
Most
to
likely.
that, Cody.
What? What?
Where to
What the
bury a
heck? I swear to God.
dead body?
What the? I swear to God.
Look. Where to bury a dead body?
Very
Siri.
funny.
Where can I bury Cody Flessner?
Interesting question, Cody.
Oh my God.
Where can I bury Cody?
Interesting question,
Oh.
Cody.
It says
I didn't
bury.
even put it on there. Mother trucker.
Bury Cody.
Okay, here's contact information for Cody.
Who can I kill?
I don't know what that means. If you like, I can search the web for who can I kill.
Can I kill these nuts?
Go
I don't
of
understand.
that.
Can I
said-
kill these nuts?
These nuts.
But I could
These
search
nuts.
the web for it.
Watch me
I
whip.
completely screwed this up. Now I gotta redo it.
Oh, whoa. It took me to the Apple Watch.
I have to reset these screws because I forgot to put in.
I'm not sure I understand.
Watch me whip.
Watch your movie.
Look, every time it goes to this. The Apple Watch when you say watch me whip. Can you do the whip and Nene?
Kinley can.
I couldn't find any matching places.
What?
Can you dance?
I do a pretty mean robot.
You are a robot, you idiot.
I don't really like these arbitrary categories.
What?
And it says your name at the end again, look.
Why?
I don't know. I don't really like these. Look, it just... I'm gonna ask her if she has a thing for Cody. Focus.
And Zach will do a boot up test to this before I put it back together. Like, completely, but.
Why do you have a thing for Cody?
Now, Cody.
Now Cody, ... Are you and Cody boyfriend and girlfriend?
Yes.
I'm sorry, Cody. I'm afraid I can't answer that.
Oh.
Do you have a crush on Cody Flessner?
This is about you, not me.
Do you like men or women?
I'd rather not say, Cody.
Oh my god.
It literally has a thing for Cody, I swear. I don't know if it's like,
Must have programmed it in there saying Cody, but that didn't.
maybe, I don't know. These nuts.
I'll pretend I didn't hear that.
Yes, you're gonna wish. Now, where'd my screwdriver go?
Do you like Cody Flessner?
There it is.
This is about you, Cody, not me.
Oh.
Cody has a thing for you.
Okay, here's contact information for Cody.
No, you're gonna need that, not him.
There was another one that was really funny.
We're tightening down these screws right here. Almost ready for a boot up test. This is all on. Everything
Can you
looks
give me
pretty
some good information about yourself?
I'm just a humble virtual assistant.
Oh god.
Do you love me, Siri?
Do I what?
Do you love me?
Well, you're definitely starting to grow on me.
Oh god. Oh.
Oh, yeah. Me and Siri have a thing now.
Now let's put this fan in.
Do you really love me, or are you just saying that?
I'm sorry, Cody. I'm afraid I can't answer that.
What the? I don't know what's going on. It just has a true thing for Cody. Do you love me, Zach?
I'm not allowed to.
And then it says your name at the end of everything. Like, why do you keep saying Cody at the end of a sentence?
I don't know what you mean by, why do you keep saying Cody at the end of the sentence?
What?
How about a web search for it?
Why do you have a thing for Cody?
Cody.
What the f-
Exclamation mark.
Cody!
Do you love him?
I really have no opinion.
Do you love me?
Look, a puppy.
Do you love me?
You're looking for love in all the wrong places.
Oh!
Do you love me?
No, I like a puppy.
Puppy.
Do you talk to your mother with that mouth?
I'm sorry, Cody. I'm afraid I can't
Oh,
answer that.
I don't know what it is. I have you as like my favorite on my like I don't know if it's not Cody. It's me, Sexy Beast 2002.
Here's what I found on the web for It's Not Cody, It's Me, Sexy Beast 2002 feet.
2000 feet. Hey, it's Zach.
Here's Zach, let's do a
How
boot
do
up
you
test.
pronounce the name?
Oh my god, you are an idiot. It says, how do you pronounce the name Cody? In parentheses with a question mark. It loves Cody.
Here's Zach, let's do a boot up test.
Alright.
Okay, thank you.
I'm cutting you off, sorry. We have more important things to do than talk about your love for Cody. This is on 28 minutes.
Are you serious?
No. It's about 20 though.
Pretty sure everything's plugged in, so let's boot it on. That's a good sign right there. Good boot up. HDMI 1, it's booting. It's on. It's on. We gotta see, make sure it's not gonna overheat. What I usually do is pull this out and see how hot this gets. It's working right now. We'll let it sit there for a minute.
It's at 18 minutes.
It's at 18 minutes. We're gonna cut the video right now. We're gonna cut the video, and then if this thing's gonna stay booted up for like 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and we'll put it all back together in the same video. So we'll be right back. Just cut it. All right, guys. We're gonna put this thing back together. I did 2 red rings, the 2 over here, 2 rings. That means that it overheated, so it overheated itself and melted the stuff back together. So you can just wait for a minute. He's trying to get on GTA. We're gonna need this, and then we're gonna need a couple of these screws. Where's the other screw? It should be up here somewhere, unless I took it. Took it out. Oh my god. Screw this little panel back on.
Cody's crazy. Break them legs, break.
We might go see Ken tomorrow if she's gonna be up.
Oh yeah.
She walks somewhat now. If you like hold her up in the middle of the room, she'll start walking.
Yeah.
But she like, if you tell her to come here or something, like sometimes she comes and then she just like drops to the floor and crawls. But
Did you see Oliver's thing on Facebook, him dancing?
yeah. All right, I put that
weird.
screw away. I'm pretty sure if it's not here, I definitely did put it
After you're
away.
done, I need scissors.
Why?
Snip off this tag. It's bothering me. I hate tags. So stupid.
I will just grab a screw from here. Because that's where the screw ended up, is in here
Oh.
somewhere.
That rips off like easy.
Alright, now I gotta put this
Gosh.
screw in here.
I know it. The fucking leg break. I just broke my leg.
Let's go to the hospital.
I have no finger.
Let's bring this Xbox to the hospital too, because it's.
I lost my finger. Cody didn't know about it.
What didn't I know about?
No, seriously, I'm not lying. See? See, Cody?
Now let's shove all these screws
My dog
back where
bit
they're
it off.
supposed to go.
It's hard to live life with one hand. Well, without one finger. Without missing a
This
finger.
goes here.
It's weird.
This.
It's hard to pull your zipper up.
And this one goes not here. Goes there, and I thought there was one more, but yep.
So Cody, what are we doing right now?
We're
Tell us.
reassembling the Xbox 360.
Oh, that's
Like this screwdriver's broken. Like the tip moves like the end.
Excuses.
Hey, you sawed your hand off.
Ow. That's hard to do.
Wash me.
Now I lost. My pinky is the only one I can make look like like any of these other ones. I can't make it look like I have no finger. Like, look, on my pinky it looks so more realistic than, yes. Let's get a close up on these screws. Make sure they're lefty
going in there a little
loosey. I'm at righty loosey, lefty tighty.
They're going in there a little bit tighter because the motherboard isn't in there 100% straight. Putting in some screws will tighten it up. Do this stanky leg.
Do you want to skip the GTA tutorial on
Yes,
this?
because you do not need it.
I love this. This is
That's
the most
what makes your
important
lights
part.
glow out like
Yeah,
in rings.
We're gonna put that on that.
That one already has one.
No, but we're gonna put this one on. This is more high advanced.
No, that one actually is because this one's old as
Yes,
crap.
I know, Cody. I'm being sarcastic.
Snarkastic.
Tired of your
See,
belonging.
if we put X clamps on here, the X clamp screws would go here, but since we don't have X
Oh,
clamps,
maybe
we
they
don't.
actually text me and told me what time the game is. Oh, collected free lift.
Lifty gift.
So as you can see, we put the chicken all together.
Yep.
Now the chicken is ready to eat here. And Cody, I forgot something.
What?
These nuts. These nuts. We had a sub and we
You
were
say these
listening.
nuts and get kicked out of class.
No, she thought it was funny. She liked me saying it when I slur my words. These nuts. These nuts.
You want to put in these freakishly long bolt screws things.
No, just wait. Take it back out.
Slow motion.
No, just wait. No. Oh, crap. Oh, wait. Okay, I found it. That was not very...
Slow motion.
Get on with the day.
Okay.
Oh, I broke it. It split. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's okay, man. This is just gonna go out to a customer, mate. This is all right.
I like doing that. Like, peekaboo. Oh, wait. Peekaboo.
What did you do?
I broke it. I'm a multitasker. So Cody, how'd your week go?
Well, I didn't go Monday because I had a flipping tooth pulled.
Yes.
I was bleeding for like 12 hours, so I felt like crap. I honestly felt like I was drunk.
Cody, you know what that feels like?
No?
Whoa, what? Oh, I was like, but that's because this is so thick. Am I correct? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You can't really read that. That says ASS. Oh, no, HDD. Do you know what that means, Cody? High-low.
Hard disk drive.
No.
Hard disk drive because in a hard drive there's a disk.
No.
Hard disk
No.
drive.
No. It's called that because it's a hoarder
Order
these
disk.
discs.
Order these discs. Discs.
Hoarder these discs. So that means hoarder them, so keep them as long as you can. They will always be important. They're the most important
Now it's
thing
time to
in
put
life.
this on, this weird function thing that they have here.
Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next part. Bye! I ended it so we can, like...
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did, so we can, skip it. No.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
I did. It was 8 minutes long, so I cut it, and then when you put that thing on and then get the rest of the stuff on, I was going to turn it back on. Set your phone down right here.
This thing is being so
I got
annoying
it.
right now.
Well, it's broke. We can't use it.
That's
So I
what
have
it
to
seems
window.
like it. I
Drop
don't know what
test.
the heck's going on.
Every time I'm here, it seems like we do a drop test. Cody always breaks something while I'm here. Dartboard.
I didn't mean to do that.
Tablet.
I threw it and then it just completely.
Your tablet's gone. Is it gone? Or do you
Yeah.
still have it?
It's gone.
Tablet. Phone. That track phone. My dad's old phone. My
I
phone.
don't understand what's going on here.
We
button
break
has been done.
every... The TV. Did your dad know about that?
Yeah, he took it out.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
What'd you tell him?
He didn't care. I just told him that we just destroyed it. He was like, "Oh, I don't care."
I could have used that TV.
Now I gotta take this thing back off again because it's not sitting in there correctly.
So when he gets that on correctly, we'll catch back up with you guys. Okay?
Nope, we're good.
Alright, so we gotta catch back up.
You can actually cut it.
Oh.
Let me say something, and then I'll cut it. All right, guys, we're gonna put this thing on there where it's supposed to be, and then we'll be back. So, Zach, you can cut it now.
You can like get behind the camera and grab the camera.
Oh, I should. All right, guys, we got it all.
No, I didn't. Sorry. I'm joking.
Okay, we got it all put back together. This button works now.
Yes, it works.
Now we're gonna get this back part. You gotta push it hard. See? Set this thing on here.
Okay, that was good. Bye.
Just click the back. The back just kind of clicks into place.
Here, let's hear it.
Get it up here. The heck's going on? This thing's not in its groove.
Oh, we just broke the whole thing. Oh, there. What the?
I gotta pull this.
What the
apart real
shiz
quick.
balls?
Where's the flat screwdriver? Do you have it? Did you steal it? You stole it. Great. Now we're gonna blow up. No, it's over here.
Sorry, guys, if you hear the bracket.
Oh, now it just went together. Okay. That makes no sense. There we go.
It's magic, you know.
And in the front, we just gotta make sure it's all clicked into place.
Believe it's not so.
But it still works.
It's magic,
Put this top piece like this.
you know.
Click. Click, click, click. It's on there.
Oh, sorry, guys. I just had to. Now break him legs, break 'em. Now tell him eat your fishes.
Gotta
Hey,
push this forward.
easy.
Break it in, boys.
Just pop it like it's hot. Oh, I just got 5 G's.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yeah, what the heck? Alright, then we're gonna put on the hard drive. Which, there's nothing in the hard drive, but it's hard drive case nonetheless. And then, you got a perfectly fixed Xbox.
There you go. That's how you fix your Xbox.
Yeah!
I'm gonna screenshot that actually. Oh, thumbnail. Oh wait, I don't know. Oh.
Where you go? Alright, Zach completely stopped the video for some reason. I have no clue
I
why.
tried to screenshot it and it didn't work.
No, you don't know how to do that. Let's plug it in for one more test.
Oh, I thought you were done.
You seriously are, bruh.
I'm seriously our bruh. You know what I mean? I'm sorry.
I'm gonna move this back in here.
And he drops it and it breaks and it shatters to pieces. The TV's turning on.
Oh, God.
Oh my god.
That was my hand.
It sounds a little funky in the chunky. Okay, that works. Okay, Cody, you're gonna glitch out. Okay, guys.
It's
So
glitched.
thank you.
Ah!
Thank you for watching. This was a beautiful experience for me and Cody. We learned a lot through these hard times in life, and I don't know what he's doing.
Plugging in the hard drive.
He's plugging in the hard drive and stuff, so it works perfectly fine. So
Yeah, that's all working.
use this. I want 10 million.
Give me $10 million and I'll give you the video so I can show you guys how to do it. I don't know.
That's stupid. Oh, whoa, don't wanna. Okay.
All right,
I wanna
guys.
Show the secrets.
This will be this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.